Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today's short video I will teach you how to fix iPhone stuck on home. Would you like to send you critical alerts? So without wasting any time, let's get started. Guys, many iPhone users are facing this problem and their screen has stopped working. Restarting the iPhone or locking and unlocking the screen does not fix this problem. So I will tell you in this video how you can get rid of this problem. To get rid of this problem, you need to reboot your iPhone. For that, press the volume up button swiftly and release it. Then press the volume down button swiftly and release it. Hold on the sleep wake button until the Apple logo appears. Then release it. Check if your iPhone freezing issue is resolved after rebooting the iPhone. Then go to Settings app and turn on critical alerts. So open the Settings app and then open the notification menu. Now swipe down to find home and tap on it. Here turn on critical alerts. That's it. Like and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.